सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, today is the good news for Moto G5 users. The Android Oreo 8.1 brand new operating system has released for these users. In this OS, the completely apps optimization done with pixel display. I will show you the exact ROM, the pixel experience recently launched in Pixel 2 phones. So friends, in this OS, the optimization has been done very beautifully. The performance improvement has been done more than 40% as compared as with previous OS Android Nougat. So don't waste time friends. Let's get started how to install this ROM. Friends, before install this ROM, I have to certain conditions to you. Friends, first condition is the developer options has been must be enabled, and the second condition is bootloader is necessary to unlock bootloader. TWRP recovery has been successfully installed on your phone. How to install these? You may find in link description. For booting your screen into TWRP, by press volume up and down and power button and restart your phone in TWRP recovery mode. The screen appears like this. Simply here friends, before install this custom ROM, please make backup of your current ROM. How is that? I will show you. Press on simply backup button. Afterwards, select boot, recovery, system, data and modem. Then simply swipe right to install. The backup will take depend on your data. It approximately 4.5 GB. See friends, in my mobile backup has been done successfully. Then we are safe here. Friends, here before we installing this ROM, we need to wipe our temporary data cache. How is that? I will show you. Click on wipe, select advanced wipe. In this criteria, select Dalvin out cache, system, data and cache. After selecting these options, simply swipe right. The data has been wiped successfully. We are going to install Android Oreo 8.1 with pixel experience. Select back. When we have to came at the main screen, click on install. Select here pixel experience Porter 8.1 and swipe right to install. It will take some time. Friends, I will tell you something. In this ROM, we have inbuilt G apps. You don't need to download any G apps version. Kindly remind this friends. Friends, the Oreo 8.1 pixel experience ROM was successfully installed on our phone. Here we make to final one step. Simply, we have to wipe our cache and Dalvik before we need to reboot our system successfully. Simply select wipe cache and Dalvik. Swipe right to wipe. The data has been successfully wiped. Then press reboot system to boot your system successfully. Friends, it will take some time, depend on 3 to 4 minutes. Your screen will be booted. Friends, I will meet you after completely set up my phone. Friends, here is my Moto G5 desktop. The icons were has been rounded. I have to show the overall setting experience in this ROM. Friends, this is the menu of Moto G5. It's a completely pixel experience. When we comes into settings, the mostly synchronized has been done in settings. The list of apps is sorting in one settings, just like network and internet. In this option, we have to find Wi-Fi, mobile data, usage, hotspot, something like that. Mostly apps synchronizing in according to their related app. And another we have to find sound, volume, vibration, do not disturb. These are all apps we have to find in sound options. And finally, we have to go to phone properties and check the Android Oreo version. Friends, here is the about phone, the Android version 8.1.0. Friends, here I have updated the latest ROM version. You may download it. The patch level is updated in this ROM. So friends, hope you like my video. I will updating you on latest updates on Moto G5. So please friends, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. So friends, bye bye friends. See you again.